Still as a breeze, a river flowing deep. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be a GlamEgo Box unboxing for the month of February. Now GlamEgo has sent me their February month box. So it is not a sponsored video. They are not paying me to say anything. Everything is going to be my 100% genuine opinion. So कोई doubt मत रखना दिल में. First of all, it came in this kind of a packaging which says GlamEgo on it. तो ये बहुत ही अच्छी बात है कि मेरा box जो था वो बिल्कुल secure था. So GlamEgo Box retails for 300 rupees and you can get products worth rupees 2300 or above. Which this is how the GlamEgo Box for the month of February looks like. So it has this random letters on it. इसमें आपको अपने loved one का middle name या last name search करना है and mark it, and you can just post the picture on @GlamEgo. You might get the chance to win 10,000 worth rupees voucher from Shopper Stop, which is a very nice thing. So just quickly do that. Plus, if you cannot find the name on the box, you can just write it here or somewhere and just click the picture and post it. Then this is how the inside of my GlamEgo box looks like. And now one by one we're gonna see that what all I got. So first of all, I got two emails, one to select my skin type and second to select any makeup item that I want. So here I have a face scrub by the brand called Kronokare and the name is Polish the Blemish face scrub for all skin types. Now it says it is sulfate, mineral oil, paraben, silicone and fragrance free, which is a very nice thing. I absolutely love Kronokare products because they are 100% natural and free from any sort of chemicals. So this is the first thing. Plus you also have an option of face mask, so you can also choose that for yourself. So this is the first thing. So if you have dry skin, you can get these products, and if you have oily skin, you can get these products. So you can just pause the video and read this card. Second thing is also by the brand called Kronokare. Now this is the Polystop face protecting screen against pollution for face. So this is basically a spray that you apply on your face before heading out of your house or maybe during the day. Stay away from pollution and stuff like that. If you travel in public transports, you get the pollution on your face, so you don't want that. So you can just spritz it on your face and you're all good to go. So this is the second thing. So the third thing in the box is this Nature's Co saffron face cream. Now saffron is very good for skin, so this is the saffron face moisturizer, and my skin is dry and I absolutely love moisturizer, and I love purchasing moisturizers for myself because my skin is Sahara desert and it has literally no moisture whatsoever, and I absolutely love purchasing moisturizers and creams for myself. So I am absolutely quite looking forward to try this because saffron is good for skin. It just brings out that glow in your skin, so it sounds very nice, plus the brand is very good, so very happy with that. So the fourth thing in the box is this Sea Salt CC cream. Now I have already applied it. I also have a clip. I'll just insert the footage. They also had some other options like Bella Voste lip crayon or a primer, so you can choose whatever you want, but I chose this CC cream. You can already see that it is very yellow for my skin tone, but when I blend it out, it turned out to be fine. It is not that yellow on my skin, but it also hides a little bit of my blemishes. So it has a very low to medium coverage, which is fine for the daily use. Plus it also is very thick in consistency, so if you have dry skin, this is going to be a very good thing for you. These three things, apart from the CC cream, these three things are exclusively by GlamEgo Box. You cannot find them anywhere. They are only available on GlamEgo website. So this face scrub retails for 460 rupees. This retails for 495 rupees, nearly about 500 rupees. This Nature's Co Radiance face cream is for 550 rupees. Oh my god. It retails for 660 rupees and my shade is light. GlamEgo Box is definitely very affordable, but they curate the products from very good brands. There are basically no compromises in monetary terms or quality terms at all. These are all the stuff that they have curated this time, and I hope that you guys like this video. If you did, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!